how to check who liked a post on Instagram. So if you want to check who liked your post on Instagram, then what you need to do is first, you just need simply make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, open up your Instagram application. After opening your Instagram, you need to go with your profile, which will be in the bottom. From your profile, you'll have your post, right? So once you have your posts, if you want to find or check who liked a post on your Instagram, then you need to simply go with your post and then tap on the likes. Here it will say liked by this and this person. You need to just tap on the likes and it will give you a list of people. It will show you a list of all the people who liked the post. If you want to go with some other people's post, then you can do that as well. Like here, it says liked by a person's username and others. So you need to tap on others and you will have all of the list. So these are the persons who liked a post on Instagram. If you found this video helpful, hit the subscribe button and thanks for watching.